This is another funny evening. We've just been driving to the Safo Hills National Park, coming out with these amazing zebras and elephants here around. They're just socializing together. You see how this amazing thing here is. I really love this kind of associations of animals. They associate together, they love each other, and you can see how the landscape is here. It's quite amazing, and then you can see. I find it so amazing here, and then everything is so cool. I love it. He's hearing